Olafemi beats Watkins in the air. Ball falls to Artis, flicks onto Smith. 30 yards out, tries to play Watkins through, comes back to Smith. Chance to go in on goal. 25 yards. Smith into the bottom corner. 3 goals for Bar City. Surely 3 points. Tom Smith continues his rich reign of form. It's a beautiful 25-yard strike into the bottom corner, and the nervousness and tension around Tewkesbury Park may just have been dissipated.
Yeah, it was a really interesting goal that, because first of all he looked to play Andy Watkins in, couldn't manage it, carried his run across the pitch, and suddenly there was just that gap open up in the Concord defence, and Smith needed no other incentive than to fire a great goal onto the right-hand side. And as you say, that's 3-1 now to City. Goal in the 73rd minute, so just 17 minutes to go here, and it's given Concord an absolute mountain to climb.